Hello, my name is Eileen Book, and my company is Triangle TechWorks. I provide technology and personal assistance to older adults. I can do this one-on-one, where permitted with all the COVID precautions, or remotely by having your permission to view your mobile devices and/or your computers. At this time, I would like to offer a few small tips to make sure you're staying in communication with your family, friends, and other virtual activities. Here they are. Though some ways to stay connected are FaceTime, Zoom, Skype, and WhatsApp. You can FaceTime if you have an Apple device, such as a Mac, an iPad, or an iPhone. You can FaceTime if you just make sure that it's turned on in your settings. You would just go to your contact and click on video, and you will then see the person or persons you're talking to. If in the middle of the call you wish to turn on FaceTime, just click the video during the call and see everyone then. If you wish to have the caller see other things going on in the call, you can flip your camera so they can see what's in front of you. Just click on flip and then the camera will turn the other direction. Your caller can see others in the room or the scenery or your favorite pup. Zoom is a great application to use. Everybody's using it. It's fun. It's easy to use. It's a great way to talk and see your family and friends and play games even. You can have lots of people on at the same time. The free version of Zoom allows 40 minutes when 2 or more are on a Zoom call. You can always just restart a call if you run out of time. You don't need to have an account to join a Zoom meeting. You do need to have an account if you wish to host a meeting. And that way you can add a profile picture and you can add a virtual background so no one will see your messy kitchen in the background. You can add the mountains, the beach, or flowers. You will normally get an email or a text with a link such as that, and just click on that link and the Zoom meeting will start. If it doesn't, you can always go to the Zoom app and add the 9 digits to enter the Zoom meeting. Once you're in a Zoom call, look for a little icon of a microphone and a video camera. If the line is through those, then you're muted and your video is not on. So you want to make sure to click those to unmute yourself and to start your video so they will see you live. Many times a host may mute all the participants if there's a lot on the call and it's very loud and noisy. Skype's also another option. It's been around a long time. It's a Microsoft product. You don't need to have an account and it's also free. WhatsApp is very easy and fun to use as well. You can call, text, and have FaceTime with one or a group. It's also free and easy to use. Just download the app. So start calling, texting, talking to your family and friends. It's so important to stay in touch. So need more help? Want practice? Call, text, or email me. Again, my name is Eileen Book. My number is 919-410-8837, or you can send me an email, triangletechworks@gmail.com, or send a message through my website at triangletechworks.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.